Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair a cracked screen on this HP 24-CR0210 all-in-one computer. So let's get into it. The first thing is to remove the base. This way the computer can lie flat and it just makes the rest of the process much easier. So you just flip it up and unscrew this thumb screw. This lets you remove this bottom plate. Now you can see there's this button higher up on the base. Pushing this in while pulling out on this stand will allow you to disconnect the base. From there, we want to put it down so we can continue taking apart this computer. So the next step is to remove this bottom bezel. And with this bezel removed, you want to unscrew these screws. With those gone, we can now begin removing the screen. So starting at the bottom corner, take your pry tool and carefully slide it in between the screen and the back panel, and start gently prying it up. You want to go all the way around the screen up until it's loose. Now once it is loose, you don't want to pull straight up as there are cables connected to both ends. You want to carefully pick up both sides and unstick the tape taped to the cables. Now that we have a little bit more slack, we can lay down the back panel and lean the screen up against something, and we can go in and begin removing the cables. So for this LVDS cable, it's hard to see, but you want to prop up this white tab at the back. That will loosen the LVDS cable. And then going from both sides, not pulling straight out as that can damage them, you want to disconnect the backlight and touch cables. Now you want to disconnect the cables on the screen end. Just like with the motherboard, we don't want to pull them straight out, we want to pry them up from the sides. For the LVDS cable, you can see there are these little metal clips on the side. You want to push those in and that will let you disconnect the cable. Next, to remove the frame, you want to unscrew these screws. Now that we're left with just the raw panel, we can just swap it out with our new one. Now to put it back together, it's just all of the previous steps in reverse, so I will just speed through most of the process. Now that we have our new screen connected, let's turn it on and give it a test. Alright, as we can see, it looks like it's turning on. There's no shadows. The touch seems to be working, so it looks like this repair was successful. Now let's just turn it off and complete the process. Now once it's back in place, you want to use the palm of your hands to apply more even pressure and gently snap it back in. And with the base reattached, it's all done. So this is how you repair an HP 24-CR0210 all-in-one computer. If you need to source a replacement screen, there will be a link down below. If you don't feel confident enough to do this repair yourself, I highly recommend reaching out to your local repair shop, or you can contact us over our website, and we offer a mail-in repair service. Thanks for watching.